United we stand. Stand united. United we stand. Stand united. You judgment. You judgment. You judgment. You judgment. Who are the suffer? Who are the suffer? Who are the suffer? Who are the suffer? We say change.
Was jam-packed at the Lumley Marfa field where supporters and stakeholders of the NGC party both clustered in and out of the Marfa field. Dr. Kande Kola-Yum-Kela, the former unit board, highlighting other issues affecting the common man such as hardship faced by women and young people in the country. He noted that he has spent his whole life working hard and he will do the same when elected to office as president of Sierra Leone. He further stated that Sierra Leone is recognized as the third hungriest country in the world, and if this situation is to change, then you should vote the NGC.
Too much dance. Now for no worker host to host. Each person get 10 person. Each woman get 10 woman. For tell them what change me. So we want less salon better. We want go before. The way they come today now, people don't take and say who food. So we don't get no sense. Team the triangle and say all man happy. When you say we're angry, they say we'll make road. This man, all the problem okay, restaurant here. The exchange rates they put. And this why he don't he wake up, he fix that. Now for them in the work 35 years. He said the way they now get the people. Ethan, will they fix this country for them? And we get Sababu, more people phone and they come. Who no go like you? Then rank a politician. What you do last year? I be telling you, but on another hearing, they go sign paper. Forget 50 million quick. And me say wait man food. I work for them. So the wait man I got last week. They say where you been signed? You been saying they increase petrol, not also. You been saying they increase rent. Now wait man hold the money last week. That's rank a politician.
Chairman of Constituency 132, Patrick Sware Jr., described the leader as the most popular sellable candidate for the March 2018 elections.
Struggle for the past 57 years. This now awareness time. The leader of the National Grand Coalition, a sellable candidate. A candidate we well known all throughout the world. A candidate we no door no go lock pan open. A candidate well known by heads of states, kings, queens, princes, and celebrities, etc. You name them. The family then allow your open, and allow heart open, and allow make the right choice. And the right choice and the forward choice now Dr. Kande Kola-Yum-Kela of the National Grand Coalition.
Imran Sila, Public City Secretary, maintained that Dr. Kande-Yum-Kela is the right person to take Sierra Leone to another level.
This is what we're saying, cut down on corruption, spend the money on the people of this country, right? I mean, use our resources, the internal revenue collected, right, for the benefit of the people of this country. That is what Dr. Kande Kola-Yum-Kela wants to do, and we hope we'll get the opportunity on the 7th of March, right? Continue to be resilient, change is coming, right? Inshallah, by the grace of God, we'll have change on the 7th of March in the person of Dr. Kande Kola-Yum-Kela, and Sierra Leone can rise again, right, and be respected and have the kind of donor attention that we need to get to turn things around.
Other party stalwarts and stakeholders explain the importance of voting for the National Grand Coalition.
Voto for Kaikala na mafoto fela. Loso. Loso. What's it again in the last? No, aside. Loso. You know they show respect.
The NGC said this is the time Sierra Leoneans should really come out and demand for the change we are carving for. Duraman Samura, Star Television, a Freetown.